Hello guys and welcome to Motoroids. This is Anand Pandey and we are reporting live from India Bike Week 2021, and the motorcycle that is right ahead of us, right in front of us, is a Harley Davidson Pan America, which holds a very special place in Harley Davidson portfolio, because up till now they have been developing road oriented motorcycles, and this is the very first time that they have ventured into adventure motorcycle category. And the Pan America 1250 that we see right in front of us is a very special one as well, because this is one of the 5 motorcycles that Harley Davidson sent to Kela Pass, that is around 18,603 feet, and that is the highest any Harley has ever gone to. So this is quite a feat for an adventure motorcycle and for a Harley Davidson adventure motorcycle as well. So the Harley Davidson Pan America is powered by a Revolution Max 1250 engine, a liquid cooled V twin engine that makes around 150 PS of power at 9,000 RPM and generates 128 Newton meters of torque at 6,750 RPM. This engine comes mated to a 6-speed transmission with a slipper clutch. Now this engine can be tuned according to the ride modes. The Pan America comes with several ride modes like road, sport, rain, off-road and off-road plus. Now all this can be switched and can be selected through this 6.8-inch TFT instrument cluster, which can also be tilted according to the rider, so you can actually change the position of this TFT instrument cluster that you see right here. Now coming to the other cycle parts of the Pan America, up front it rides on Showa suspension setup with 47 mm BFF forks at the front and a piggyback monoshock at the back, which is also sourced from Showa. Now this setup, it's adjustable for preload, compression and rebound. Now there's also a special variant of the Harley Davidson Pan America which adds some special bits to the motorcycle, like a center stand, a multi-position rear brake pedal that can be adjusted to the riding position, a steering damper, a skid plate, a brush guard, heated grips, hand guards, an adaptive headlight, a tire pressure monitoring system and semi-active front and rear suspension setup. So if you have the money to go for the special variant, we would suggest you to go for the special variant, because it adds quite a lot of equipment to the already impressive Pan America 1250. Now coming to the braking department, now Harley has worked and has collaborated with Brembo to develop these special set of 4-piston calipers that fits the look of the Pan with sharper edges and softer curves. Now the front wheel is fitted with a pair of 320 mm discs, and if we move to the back, the rear wheel gets a 280 mm single disc. Now the tires that we see here are also special, as we get to see Harley Davidson branding right on the edges of the tire. Now these are Michelin Scorcher units at the front, 120 section, and as we move to the back, at the back as well, we get to see the same Michelin Scorcher unit, but we get to see a 170 section unit at the back. And as we have mentioned, this is one of the 5 motorcycles that Harley sent to the Kela Pass, and they have also shown a video of the same, a 12-minute long video which will show you the adventure, the fun and the feat that the riders have achieved astride the Pan America. So this is all folks, this is the Pan America 1250 Harley Davidson stake at an adventure motorcycle. Do let us know in the comment section below if you like this motorcycle, and do let us know if you had this motorcycle, where would you like to take it, because as they have already proven it, this motorcycle can go anywhere.